Revise in seconds, short multiplication. 327 times 6. Now we have to rearrange this, and this is how it's arranged now. 327 times 6. Notice that that's the units column. They're nicely lined up. Units, tens, hundreds. We're going to start with the units at the top. 7 times 6 is 42. So the 2 goes there and the 4 goes there. Still says 42, look. Now we're doing this one. 2 times 6 is 12. Add the 4 makes 16. 3 times 6 is 18. Add 1 makes 19. There it is, finished. 7 times 6, 2 times 6, 3 times 6. And here's a few for you to try. Remember, you're going to need to move them around so that they are in columns. You could pause the video while you have a go. Revise in seconds, short multiplication, answers. Look, I have rearranged all of these into columns. Now it's easy to do. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 426. 4 times 2 is 8. 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 3 is 24. Little 2 there, 24. 4 3s are 12. Add 2 makes 14. 1 3 is 3. Add 1 makes 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 7 4s, 28. Add 2 makes 30. 8 times 5 is 40. 5 5s, 25. Add 4 makes 29. 6 times 3 is 18. 5 times 3 is 15. Add the 1 makes 16. 4 times 3 is 12. Add 1 makes 13. 1,368. 7 times 5 is 35. 8 5s are 40. Add 3 makes 43. 9 2s are 18. 4 2s are 8. 1 more makes 9. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 4,698. We're looking at short multiplication where we're multiplying by multiples of 10. So 20 is a multiple of 10. And to do that, we simply put a 0 in the units to move everything over. Then, starting here, 3 times 2 is 6. 9 times 2 is 18. So an 8 there and a 1 there. 4 times 2 is 8. Add 1 makes 9. 9,860. So what did we do? Put a 0. 3 times 2, 9 times 2, 4 times 2. That's it. And here's some for you to try. Remember, you're going to need to set them out in columns. You're going to need to put a 0 in the units to move everything over, and then simply multiply in the normal short multiplication way. You could pause the video while you have a go. And here are the answers to the short multiplication by multiples of 10 questions. So 537 times 20, what do we do first? Put a 0 in the units. Then 7 times 2 is 14. 3 times 2 is 6. Add 1 makes 7. 5 times 2 is 10. So the answer, 10,740. 68 times 30, put a 0 in the units. 8 times 3 is 24. 6 3s are 18, add 2 makes 20. 2,040. 194 times 40, put a 0 in the units. 4 times 4 is 16. 9 times 4 is 36, add 1 makes 37. 1 4 is 4, add 3 makes 7. 7,760. Put a 0 in the units. 5 3s are 15. 7 3s are 21, add 1 makes 22. 2,250. 69 times 50, put a 0. 9 times 5 is 45. 6 times 5 is 30. Add 4 makes 34. 3,450. Put the 0. 7 times 6 is 42. 2 6s are 12. Add 4 makes 16. 3 6s are 18. Add 1 makes 19. 19,620. 0 in the units. 6 times 7 is 42. 9 times 7 is 63. Add 4 makes 67. 6,720. 0 in the units. 4 3s are 12. 9 3s are 27. Add 1 makes 28. 1 3 is 3. Add 2 makes 5. 3 3s are 9. 95,820. Once you're good at short multiplication, it's a good idea to try long multiplication. So we're multiplying by 35. There's the units, there's the tens, there's the hundreds. We're going to start with the 5 units. 7 times 5 is 35. 35, tiny 3. 9 times 5 is 45. add 3 makes 48. Put the 8 there. 4 times 5 is 20, add 4 makes 24. So we've finished with that 5. Now we're looking at the 3 tens, and you remember when we times by the tens, we put a 0 in the units. 7 times 3 is 21. 9 times 3 is 27, add 2 makes 29. 4 times 3 is 12, add 2 makes 14. Now we have to add up our two answers. That's 5. 8 add 1 is 9. 4 add 9 is 13. 2 add 4 is 6. Add 1 makes 7. And simply 1 there. And so we've got 17,395. Can you see why those are so small? So that we don't get them mixed up when we're adding up. And here's some for you to try. Don't forget to write them out in columns. Don't forget to multiply by the units first. Don't forget, when you times by the tens, you put a 0 in the units. Pause the video while you have a go. And here are the answers. So 645 times 27 written out like that. 5 sevens are 35. 4 sevens are 28, add 3 makes 31. 6 sevens are 42, add 3 makes 45. So we've finished with the 7. We're timing by the tens. We'll put a 0 in the units. 5 times 2 is 10. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 more makes 9. 6 times 2 is 12. Add them up. 5 add 0 is 5. 1 add 0 is 1. 5 add 9 is 14. 4, 5, 6, 7. 17,415. This one, 3 times 2 is 6. 9 twos are 18. Put a 0. 3 fours are 12. 9 fours 36, add 1 makes 37. 6 add 0 is 6. 8 add 2 is 10. 7, 8, 9. 3,906. 6 fours are 24. 7 fours are 28, add 2 makes 30. 1 4 is 4, add 3 makes 7. Put a 0. 6 threes are 18. 7 threes are 21, add 1 makes 22. 1 3 is 3, add 2 makes 5. That's 4. That's 8. That's 9. That's 5. 5,984. 5 fives are 25. 7 fives 35, add 2 makes 37. Put a 0. 5 sevens are 35. 7 sevens are 49, add 3 makes 52. That's 5. That's 12. 3, 4, 5, 6. 5,625. 8 sixes are 48. 4 6 is 24, add 4 makes 28. Put a 0. 8 threes are 24. 4 threes are 12, add 2 makes 14. 8, 12, 7, 1,728. 1 9 is 9. 5 times 1 is 5. 3 ones are 3. Put a 0. 9 sixes are 54. 5 sixes are 30. Add 5 makes 35. 3 sixes are 18. Add 3 makes 21. 9, 9, 8, 1, 2. 21,899. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. Add 5 makes 69. Put a 0. 7 twos are 14. 8 twos are 16. Add 1 makes 17. That's 6. That's 13. That's 14. That's 2. 2,436. 7 times 5 is 35. 1 5 is 5. Add 3 makes 8. 4 fives are 20. 6 fives are 30. Add 2 makes 32. Put a 0. 7 threes are 21. 1 3 is 3. Add 2 makes 5. 4 threes are 12. 6 threes are 18. Add 1 makes 19. Just enough space there. 5 add 0 is 5. That's 9. That's 5. 4. 3 add 9 is 12. 224,595. Thank you very much.